Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Microsoft advertising campaigns with conversion tracking, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the transfer of your Microsoft advertising campaigns, start by logging into your Microsoft advertising account. Locate the campaigns you wish to transfer. Export these campaigns by selecting the appropriate option in the Microsoft advertising dashboard. Choose the format for your export, typically in .csv or .xlsx. Download the exported file to your computer. Next, open your downloaded file. Review the details of your campaigns to ensure accuracy. Now, it's time to set up the new account where you will transfer these campaigns. Log into your new Microsoft advertising account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab in the new account. Select the option to import campaigns. You will be prompted to upload the file you previously exported. Browse and select the file from your computer. Once you've uploaded the file, verify the imported data for any discrepancies. Proceed to the conversion tracking setup. In your new account, locate the conversion tracking section. Establish new conversion goals based on your marketing objectives. Choose the type of conversions you wish to track, such as page views or completed purchases. Fill in the required information for each conversion goal. Now, ensure that your tracking codes are correctly implemented. Generate tracking tags if necessary. Add the tracking code to the corresponding pages on your website. Double-check the implementation to avoid errors. After setting up conversion tracking, review your campaigns again. Make any necessary adjustments to match your marketing strategy. Finally, monitor the performance of your campaigns post-transfer. This will ensure that everything is functioning as intended. Make further refinements based on data and analytics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.